All right, so we are moving on, and the directions for this will cover how you are going to go about picking some transitional phrases. Now, if you're looking at the standard, you need to be able to clearly relate your information, okay, in sections. So again, the standard is requiring that you are very organized about this. So creating your thesis and adding in those transitions makes everything flow in a very organized pattern. So you're not just jumping around. You're going to talk about this, then this, then this. So those transition phrases are extremely important. So I gave you some starting transition phrases to choose from. So those starting transition phrases, you can pick from them. And some of them are, to start with, we will look at, I don't know if I want to get rid of is. Sorry, some of this is a work in progress. The topic of discussion is, I'm going to be covering, to begin with, the main topic we will cover is, I would like to introduce my topic, which is about. So you need to pick your starting transition phrase, meaning this is the initial start to your thesis. You always need to transition every paragraph somehow. Every paragraph has a transition, so I'm expecting that in every single one of your paragraphs. So now you just have to pick one of these 5 transitions. I'm not going to ever tell you to say, is that all? No, it's not all. And if you want to go research and think up and dream up your own transition that lets me know that this is the beginning, you can certainly do that. I'm just giving you some options so it doesn't make it quite so difficult. Okay, so you don't come to a screeching halt and have to go figure out, okay, some transition phrases are Mrs. Nelson and chase me around the classroom. No, this helps keep you more independent, but you are more than welcome to go research starting transition phrases. You can go over here and type in starting transition phrases, okay? And they'll probably give you a multitude, meaning many, transition phrases that you could possibly pick from. Excellent! If you want to do that, I am more than happy to let you go and do that. However, I did give you some starters here. Pick one and plop it in that green box. Type it with your little fingers in that green box. So, I'm going to pick, I would like to introduce my topic, which is about. Okay, so there you go. I chose my transition phrase. If you glance down here, you will notice that, oh, look, it's filling in. My thesis statement is starting to fill in without me having to do a whole lot of writing. I would like to introduce my topic, which is about guppies. And then I'm betting you know what we're going to have to do next. So that is how you do a transition phrase. This is your first transition phrase. We're going to work on a couple other transition phrases. Let me know if you have questions or concerns or get stuck or anything. I'll be around.